Hi everyone! Isn't this so cool? It's my DIY light table and I made it out of stuff that I have at home. Honestly, these are fabulous learning tools. They can really enhance sensory play opportunities. It's also a great activity for kids to experiment with color and transparency and light and shadows. So endless amounts of fun. Often children will spend a lot of time here, maybe more time than they usually attend to an activity, because the curiosity and everything that comes with this really makes them very interested. And there's so many things you can do. So easily put together. Let me just show you. So I've got a clear tote. I've lined the inside here with white tissue paper. I've lined it on the outside and on the bottom part, which is the top lid, but I'm using it as the bottom of the light table. I've put tin foil on there. That just kind of brightens up the light a little bit. I've got these extra white lights that we were using in our backyard at home. You can use Christmas lights, battery operated, whatever works for you. Plug in, battery, whatever you have available. Check it out. So there you go. So I think I've shown you all the materials. Now let me show you what we can do. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is just very simply, I have some clear scarves, different colors. I'm just going to layer them on there. See if anything changes color as you're doing it. Very cool. Loving what I'm seeing here with all the different mixture of color. So that's one thing you can do. Next, I have just cut out some shapes on this transparent paper. I actually bought those dividers from the dollar store and cut them out of that. So very cost efficient. And you can explore shapes. I mean, you could do endless amount of things with this transparent paper. So that is one other thing you can do. I'm going to put these shapes aside. This is just a container, another clear container. In here I have sugar, but you could also use sand or anything you might have available that's very fine. And what I'm doing is I'm just putting it on top of here, and I'm just gonna write my initials. Look at that, and then the light shines through. So kids can just keep using it like an Etch-a-Sketch. Kids can keep erasing what they've done, do shapes. I'm gonna do a little heart there. One more thing you could do with the light table. This is a chalk marker, so it will be easily able to wash off our light table. And you can even just draw right on it. Look at that. Make a few shapes. You can write your name or initials. To add another layer to that, get some small beads or buttons. Be careful with small parts. And as another fine motor activity, you can start layering these on here and creating those shapes with beads and buttons. Pretty cool, eh, friends? So those are just a few of the many ideas that you can use with a DIY light table. So get out those old totes, get out those Christmas lights, put it together for hours of fun. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.